Dear student, now I am going to teach you the process of translation. Okay, and last time we studied about the process of transcription, that is from DNA how RNA is formed. That means the transcription is the process of formation of RNA from DNA. That means genetic information is transcribed into RNA. But here, the language of RNA, the genetic material RNA, can make the sequence of protein, and the process is known as translation, and how it occurs. So whatever genetic information is stored in DNA is expressed ultimately in the form of protein. So in between these two molecules there is another molecule, that is RNA. So this is the mediator, and every genetic information is stored in the DNA, stored in DNA is expressed in the form of protein, and what we call the phenotype. Phenotype is expressed in the form of protein. So the formation of protein from RNA is termed as translation. Okay, so translation ko meaning actually के हो त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ it is the polymerization of amino acid to form polypeptide. So as we know, protein is made up of different amino acids. Whenever these amino acids are joined together by forming a chain like structure, so these are the amino acid, and out of 20 amino acid, these amino acids are joined in this way. So like a word which is made from different alphabet in English language, like that different amino acids are joined together to form a protein, and this chain is also called polypeptide chain, and here in between them there is a bond, and these bonds are called peptide bond. Hence the many peptide bonds are formed, and the name of this chain is known as polypeptide. Poly means many. Okay, so amino acids are the basic component which are used to make a chain of protein. Understood? From RNA, the protein is synthesized in this way, and the method is known as a translation. Okay. Now, how translation takes place? How translation takes place? So let me show you here. Translation. For translation, what are the materials which are actually required during translation, and how translation takes place? Let's go in detail. For translation, we need smaller subunit of ribosome and the larger subunit of ribosome. भनेको चाहिँ in cell ribosomes are found, but they are found in two different subunit. एउटा हो सानो सबयुनिट, एउटा हो ठुलो सबयुनिट. तिनीहरू चाहिँ सेल भित्रै पाउँछ. सपोज एउटा यो सेल हेरौँ, एउटा सेल अरे, यो सेल भित्र चाहिँ न्युक्लियस छ. न्युक्लियसको बाहिर एन्डोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हामीलाई याद छ. त्यसमा in some region there is dot-like structures are there. These are known as ribosome, and we know endoplasmic reticulums are like this, finger-like projection. In endoplasmic reticulum also ribosomes are attached. Okay, so dot भएको चिज छ, त्यो चाहिँ राइबोसोमहरु हो. यो राइबोसोम्स चाहिँ किन चाहिन्छ त भन्दा these are required for the protein synthesis. So protein synthesis को लागि चाहिने चिज एउटा मेसिन हो. यो चाहिँ यस भित्र चाहिँ प्रोटिन बनिन्छ. सो प्रोटिन बन्नलाई के चाहिन्छ? अमाइनो एसिड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. एमाइनो एसिडहरु चाहिँदो रहेछ. त्यो एमाइनो एसिड जोइन भएपछि चाहिँ लास्टमा प्रोटिन बनिन्छ. अनि त्यसको लागि मेसिन चाहिँ कुन हो भने नि राइबोसोम. ओके, सो राइबोसोम बाहेक अर्को के चीज चाहिन्छ भन्दा 20 different types of transfer RNAs are required. 20 different types of transfer RNAs are required. And next is 20 different types of amino acids are required. And apart from that, we need ATP as a source of energy, because during protein synthesis, RNA, these 20 different types of RNA, they need to carry amino acids from different region of the cell cytoplasm. यहाँबाट लान्छ राइबोसोममा, राइबोसोममा लानुको लागि चाहिँ एमाइनो एसिड लानुको लागि चाहिँ ट्रान्सफर आरएनएहरूलाई चाहिँ चार्ज हुनुपर्छ. त्यो चार्ज हुनुको लागि चाहिँ एनर्जी कसले दिन्छ भन्दा एटिपीले. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर द्याट मेसेन्जर आरएनए इज रिक्वायर्ड. द मेसेन्जर आरएनए हामीले जेनेटिक कोड पढेको छौँ. त्यसको तीनवटा ट्रिप्लेट कोडनहरू थाहा छ हामीलाई. जेनेटिक कोड, दे आर अल्सो नोन एज कोडन. सो मेसेन्जर आरएनए इज रिक्वायर्ड. एउटा लिनियर एउटा मेसेन्जर आरएनए चाहिन्छ. फेरि त्यति भएपछि चाहिँ प्रोटिन सिन्थेसिस सुरु हुन्छ. ओके, सो आई विल सो इन अनदर भिडियो.